Hello everyone, today I will discuss here one project in embedded system based in washing machine simulation using PICSimLab. I also currently do in the third year in mechanical department. This is topic learn how to do and how to simulation in PICSimLab. Topic learn about Introduction to C programming, conditional loop and operators, array and pointers, function and string, structure classes about embedded systems, introduction to embedded systems and microcontroller, MPLab, XID, XC compiler and PICSimLab is the simulation parts. Introduction to PIC60F877A interface various peripheral of the PIC60F877A. What is embedded systems? Embedded systems is the combination of hardware and software which is the inherited to do the specified tasks can be controlled at the embedded systems. Embedded systems in different field of the use. For example, here is the microwave is the also embedded systems in example, and washing machine also here is embedded system example, and CCTV camera and refrigerator and computer and many more vehicles also in embedded systems example. Embedded system, there are different categories in the embedded systems. Stand and alone embedded system. Stand alone embedded system do not require the host like a computer. It works by the itself. Example, digital camera, microwave oven, etc. Real-time embedded systems. These embedded systems are taking action within a specified amount of time. For example, airbag systems, pack make missions, missile etc. Network embedded systems. These embedded systems are reflected to a network to access the resources. Router, home security systems, mobile embedded systems. These embedded systems are used in portable embedded devices like cell phone, mobile, etc. Introduction to microcontroller. Microcontroller is an integrated circuit which is capable of the beginning programmer to the prepare a specified task. All components are in the single chip, less flexible, less designing complexity. This is the microcontroller architecture. Interrupt controller, CPU, central processing unit, OSC, bus controller, input output ports, serial ports, timer 1 to timer 0, RAM, random access memory, ROM, read only memory. PICSimLab architecture. PIC60F877A operating frequency is the DC 20 MHz. It has the 51 input and output ports. It has the 50 interrupt. It has 3 timers. Its flash memory consists of the 8-bit. Its data memory consists of the 368 bytes. There of the PICSimLab architecture, GPIO, General Peripheral Input Output, IC2, Inter-Integrated Circuit, EEPROM, Electrical Irreversible Programmer, Read Only Memory, Temperature Sensor, ADC, Analog to Digital Converter, CLCD, Characteristics Liquid Crystal Display, Matrix Keyboard, SSDCS, Digital Keypad, Buzzer, LED light emitting diode, RS232. PICSimLab, it has 15 input output ports. It is a 6-bit bidirectional port. The corresponding data direction register is trace bit. One port point input trace B0 port in output. What it is any 8 bit wide directional port. The corresponding data direction register is the trace port C. It is 8 bit wide directional port. The corresponding data direction register is the trace ported. It is 8 bit port data direction register is the trace port ported. It has 3 pins RE0, RE1, RE2 data direction register is the trick. CLCD introduction. CLCD characteristics liquid crystal display. It has two communication modes be used. CLCD 60x4 is in 8-bit mode. CLCD 60x2 in 4-bit mode. RS register selector pins. It is connected to RE2 pins. RS1 on data registers, RS0 in instruction register, read and write. RS1 read and write data, RS0 write and data. All 8-bit lines are connected to the ported CLCD 60x2 display. Here is the architecture through control 8051 microcontroller. Digital keypad. We used these 6 digital keypads in washing machine simulation. It is connected to the port B. RB0, RB1, RB2, RB3, RB4 and RB5. There are different digital keypads here is used. This project requirement. Here is 3 different types of the software used. For first example, PICSimLab, second MPLab XC compiler and MPLab XID. What is washing machine? A washing machine is any electronics devices that is designed to wash cloth and lines automatically. There are different modes to control the washing machine: delete, with, stain wash, wet sheet, etc. Function requirement. Here different types of the function requirement in the washing machine: power on, push button, navigation, door status. Here is the microcontroller, display washing machine status, buzzer and motor. Timers is the important application in any embedded systems, which is a default peripheral which maintains the timing of any operation in synchronous with a system's clock or any external clock. It has many applications such as measuring time and generating delays, etc. Timers counters is the software designed to count the time interval between the events resolution, which is also called registers with 8 or 60 bit etc. This is referred as the changes from one number to the another number. It may be up counter or down counter quantum, which depends on the system's clock setting. Is a measure of time which is responsible for the tick scaling, may be pre-scalar or the post-scalar mode of the timers or counter, pulse width modulation and pulse generation modulation. Washing machine simulation. Main steps: power on, washing program, water level, pressing switch, start and stop, project analysis. First step here is so in the press 5 on the power on washing machine, and a step 2 here is so in the washing machine on. For step 3 here is so in which you control. For here example so different types in delay, high well, delect, auto, low, medium, and this is a step 5 and 6. A step 5 the step so is press the 5 key 5 to start the working of the washing machine. To press the key 6 is stop any go to back to washing machine program, and this screen show the process like wash, rinse and span. Key 6 push and key 5 start. Thank you everyone. This show in the PPT presentation of the project, and this is the project code in washing machine simulation using PICSimLab. Here is the different method is used for simulation in code. Here in CLCD, here in digital keypad, here is main.h, here is timer.h, and here also different types of the code in use: CLCD, digital keypad, ISR, main, timers, and this is the output of the project. Here this I will reload the code, and here is press 5 to power on the washing machine. Here I will be press power on the washing machine. Here is showing the power on the washing machine. After here we control the RV3 push button. Here is showing the washing machine program is on. Here is different types of the so delay, heavily, delect, and this press. After this scroll down slowly. Delect with a stain wash washing machine, while a stain wash eco cotton, a stain wash eco cotton woolen, eco cotton woolen with wet sheet, and here is different stuff of the components used in. Here is reset button, here in fan cooler is used. This is the buzzer. Thank you everyone. So in this project